everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 835 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, which I just got, so I will have that unboxing linked in the description down below if you want to see that. But so this is the Sugar Rush from Tarte Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick that I got in the shade Cupcake. And I'm really excited to get something from the Sugar Rush brand. I remember seeing this in like a display when it first came out at Ulta, and they had so many cute products, but I hadn't tried anything yet. So I'm glad that I get to try one now. The packaging is cute and I'm really excited about this shade. So let me go ahead and do a quick swatch. And the applicator on this too is a unique applicator as far as what I've ever seen. Here's what that looks like. It's like a longer doe foot applicator. I don't really know why that would be better, but we're gonna see how it is. So I'm gonna do a swatch. It seems like kind of sheer actually when I swatch it, but then when I was reading about it online, it said that it's super pigmented, but I don't really think it looks that pigmented. I guess we'll see when I put it on my lips. But I'm really excited about this shade. It looks like a perfect nude shade for me. And this retails for $15. And so it's supposed to be a matte liquid lipstick, so it's supposed to dry down matte, but it says it has nourishing ingredients like sunflower seed and rose hip oils that are supposed to smooth out the texture, plump up the lines in your lips. So I'm really excited to see if that actually happens because I love when lip products do that. So I'm gonna go right ahead and apply it. I just have it applied to my lower lip right now, but look at how much it matches my natural lip color. From my top lip to my lower lip, it's like the same tone, but just enhanced, smoothed out. I love it. Okay. And this texture, it's so unique. It's not like a normal liquid lipstick texture. It feels a little extra smooth and balm-like. I love it. And I do like this applicator actually. I feel like it's kind of has a point to it so I can get really precise on the edges. I just love the feel of it and the texture. I just want to keep applying it. It feels so smoothing and creamy. This looks so good. Even though I thought it was kind of sheer, now that I have it on my lips, it does look like full opaque color. And it really lives up to all of those claims. It's smoothing to my lips. It really does look like it filled in the lines on my lips, but it doesn't have like a plumping, tingly feeling. It just, I don't even know how it did it. It just completely like smoothed out my lip texture. Not like 100% completely smooth, but drastic difference. That's very impressive. And I can't get over this texture. When I rub my lips together, it feels like I'm wearing a lip balm. Like it's very moisturizing, but then it's matte. And it's just so unique and so beautiful. It looks so natural on my lips and I love that. I love the shade. I think this is like my perfect nude lipstick shade and I want to wear it all the time. It's so creamy on the lips that I'm not so sure it's transfer proof, but I'm gonna do a kiss test anyways. Yeah, some light transfer. That's not as much transfer as I was expecting. And it's still very intact on my lips. Wow, this is just beautiful. Such a beautiful formula. Such an amazing texture. And I feel like it's a perfect liquid lipstick texture for me because I have very dry lips and I don't like to wear like dry matte liquid lipsticks for a long time, and this just feels so comfortable, but it gives me that desired look of a dried down matte liquid lipstick, but on smooth lips. So it's just like everything I want in a matte liquid lipstick without any of the dryness. So I'm really excited about this. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite Sugar Rush products. I definitely need to get more. I want to order from Ulta soon, so let me know so that I can pick some up when I place my next order. I got so few makeup products in my May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. I was kind of disappointed in that, but at least this is one of the products I got and I really like it. So that makes me feel a little bit better about my box, because I was really feeling like I did not get my money's worth, but at least here's $15 towards the $50 I spent on that Ultimate box. I haven't tried out any of the other products yet, but this makes me feel a little bit better because this is definitely a product I would purchase. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.